I cancel flights, can you be? Oh wow. We're experiencing. And it has a look at that heap of snow. Oh my god. Snow everywhere. Snow everywhere. Like snowstorm. You cannot even see anything. Literally. Snowstorm. Guys, I'm trying to record this while fixing my seatbelt. Everywhere is snow. Like the inches be inching. You know? The inches be inching. Look at that. Look at that. Hey God. Africa, you are blessed though. Because your weather is 247. Our weather is sunny and just hot. You know? Gotta keep you longer. Look. Snow everywhere. What snowstorm looks like enjoy. So how they make the roads a bit okay for people to drive and stuff, they put salt on the roads and they plow the roads. So when they plow the roads now, you can drive on it, but it's not top speed though. And it can't be unnecessary driving. Because look, no baby. But some moon says snowstorm. You can say snowstorm. When I can. In a chon, inch say I mean correct. Right? 18, right? Yeah. So we had 18 inches worth of snow. I mean that's crazy. That is crazy. 18 inches, and they closed down schools and most shops also closed. So yes, snowstorm announcement, and all I can say is that yes, Jason is video because some people will go to work and look, I don't know. They are praying that it will rain so that it will wash the snow because this is a lot of snow, guys. This is a lot of snow. Look at that. People can't come out of their houses. People are in their homes. My dad and I, we are stubborn academy. What is stubborn academy? Yeah. So we came outside. Look, people are plowing. Charlie, baby, are your fights? Snow is beautiful, but no, the aftermath is not worth the beauty. The aftermath. Oh no. And now you are so jolly. What a jolly on your flag. Yeah, I guess snowstorm. Fed the air, but impact is not great. Because the people cars, it's easy and all of that. So yeah, look at that. When you go and walk around, you reach almost your knee. It's wild. The township is, the whole town is having it snow. So I just thought you guys should see what the winter is like. I can't believe I've survived winter. It's almost the end of January. God is good to me. I've survived it in this town. Snow everywhere. Snowstorm. Yeah. So yeah, you're advised to stay at home. And one thing, I really appreciate the weather forecast. It is accurate. What you see on your phone is what is going to happen. There's no if you have ever to see open to wait, I have when they tell you if you have before I bet this machine has been flying the roads the whole time. So when you are in your room and you are sleeping, yeah, somebody is busily plowing the roads for you. You know? somebody will be busy plowing so that you can move around. Look at somebody doing Charlie, it's not a joke. Yeah. It's a lot of. Look at that. This is crazy, Charlie. The post office here. This is the post office. It's crazy. And it's still snowing, mind you. I will attach the weather forecast to this. It is still snow. It is going to snow till 9 p.m. Do you see the snow? Wow! It is going to snow till 9 p.m. When your relatives send you $50, please respect them because it's not a joke. Okay, it's not a joke.
We've been waiting for so long.
Enjoy the rest of
We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
I didn't toss my casa. All the holes. Yeah. Hey. One thing for someone's radio, almost radio back about say, no need turning down for food. Somebody's trying to remove their car. Think I be here. The lives of people are planned around the seasons, the weather seasons in this country. I appreciate that. Indeed, this is a snowstorm. Wow! Staples, I make Billy. Oh wow, that. What? Nice. Mashallah.
Yeah, Carrie is working.
Yes, so.
Carrie working hard.
Yes, so. Hey, that's. Bro, look at that. It's wilder in this town. That we have seen today is shaggy, it is shaggy. All of that is snow, guys. mountain of snow. I looked at the heap of snow. Wild. The mountain of snow. What this? What the helly? What the helly? What the helly?
Every night,
What the helly? What the helly?
Paradise seems so
What she make cover tree
Try to buy,
How
try
tall
to
the
buy
tree is?
myself some time to give me two.
This is snowstorm.